welcome students. Here is your mathematics teacher of class 6. You know that we are just studying about the chapter number 1. Today our topic is HCF and LCM. This is week 4 and lesson 1. Hanji, in previous class you have read about the HCF and LCM, and also in previous lecture you have read about the HCF, and you know very well HCF stands for the highest common factor, and LCM stands for the lowest common multiple. You know that in HCF we take the highest factor of all, and in LCM we will take the lowest multiple of all. So we should start our lecture. In previous lecture you have read that to find the HCF there are two methods. Number one method is listing method, and second method is about the prime factorization method. Also, to find the lowest common multiple, to find the LCM, there are two methods. We will learn about the two methods. Number one is listing method, number two is prime factorization method. Same method will repeat, but there is little bit difference. Okay, तो आज उसी difference के बारे में ही हम समझेंगे. Now we will solve the question number 2 of size 1B, page number 22. We are solving the first part. Statement is find the lowest common multiples of each of the following set. A first part is 24 and 30. In first part we will read about the LCM. We will also learn about both the methods, listing method and prime factorization method. First method is listing method. Now we will solve the LCM, or you can say we will find the LCM by listing method here. For this purpose we will just find the prime factors of 24. We will write 24 here as it is, and then we will just move to find the prime factors of 24. You know that 24 is even number. It is divisible by 2. 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4. Answer will be 12. Okay, here the division is here, mention is here. 2 1 the 2. Okay, 4 will be remainder. 2 2's the 4. Okay, answer will be 12. Write the 12 here. Then 2 6 the 12. Then 2 3 the 6. Then 3 1 the 3. You know that 6 is divisible by 2. 2 3 the 6. 3 is only divisible by 3. 3 1 the 3. So the prime factors of 24 are 2 2 2 and 3. We will write the prime factors here. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Clear? ऐसे कैसे यहाँ पे लिख देंगे. Then write 30 here. अब 30 की बारी, हम 30 के prime factors find करेंगे. How can we find the prime factors of 30? Just make the table to use the prime factorization method to find the prime factors of 30. You know that 30 is divisible by 2. Divide 30 upon 2. 2 1 the 2. Remainder will be 10. 2 5's the 10. Answer will be 15. Clear? 2 15's the 30. 3 5's the 15. 5 1 the 5. So the prime factors of 30, they are 2, 3 and 5. We will write over here. 30 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Clear? अब बारी है common factors find करने की. We will repeat the same method as we find the common factors in HCF. जैसे हमने HCF में फाइंड करने के लिए कॉमन फैक्टर्स फाइंड करने के लिए हमने जो मेथड अडॉप्ट किया था, द सेम मेथड विल रिपीट ओवर हियर. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इस 2 को लेंगे. इस 2 के हमारे पास देखेंगे पेयर. हाउ कैन वी मेक द पेयर? दिस 2 इज मैचेबल विद दिस 2. क्लियर? द पेयर विल बी मेड ओवर हियर. ये पेयर आ जाएगा. ठीक है, क्लियर? और अब देखेंगे इस 2 की बारी. अब ये 2 तो पेयर में आ गया. 30 का ये 2 तो पेयर में आ गया. Here this 2, there is no matching of this 2. We will leave this 2 as it is. Move towards next 2. Also there is no matchable 2 with this. We will leave as it is. अब 3 की बारी है. अब ये 3 देखें इस 3 से मिल रहा है. We'll make a pair. क्लियर, और ये 5 एज इट इज़ आ गया। तो कॉमन फैक्टर्स हमारे पास कौन कौन से हैं जो हमारे पास मैच हो रहे हैं? ये देखिए, ये एक दफ़ा इधर आ गया और ये भी एक दफ़ा यहाँ पे लिख देंगे, 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3। और नॉन कॉमन फैक्टर्स 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 5। NCF स्टैंड्स फॉर नॉन कॉमन फैक्टर। ये दो और ये 5 नॉन कॉमन फैक्टर्स लिख देंगे इसको। अब देखें, एलसीएम फाइंड करने का फार्मूला हमारे पास है कि कॉमन फैक्टर्स मल्टीप्लाई बाय नॉन कॉमन फैक्टर्स। अब कॉमन फैक्टर्स हमारे पास कौन कौन से हैं? जो कि हमारे पास हैं 2 and 3। कॉमन फैक्टर्स दे आर 2 and 3 एंड नॉन कॉमन फैक्टर्स दे आर 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5। ओके, we will write the common factor as it is 2 multiplied by 3 here, multiplied by non-common factor 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. We'll write as it is. Okay, we know that LCM is equal to common factor multiplied by non-common factors. Clear? 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Clear? Now we will just multiply 2 3s the 6 6 2s the 12 12 2s the 24 24 5s the 5 4 the 20, 2 remainder, 2 5 the 10, 10 plus 2 12, 120. LCM will be 120. Keep this in your mind that to find the HCF we have the formula HCF is equal to multiplication of only the common factors, and to find the LCM the formula is common factor will multiply by non-common factor. This is the difference between the HCF and the LCM. Only to find the HCF, only the multiplication of common factors. We will just write the formula multiplication of common factors, and to find the LCM the formula is common factor will multiply by non-common factors. Clear? Listing method is done. Now move towards the prime factorization method. To find the LCM by prime factorization method, we will also factorize 24 and 30 by the common table. Okay, by the prime factorization method we will use, but we will make a single table. Okay, this is called the prime factorization method. Make a single table, write the 24 and 30 numbers, separate them by 2 by comma, separate them by comma. Okay, you know that 24 and 30 both are the even number and they are divisible by 2. We will write here, we will just divide the 24 and 30 by 2. We will get that 2 12s the 24 and 2 15s the 30. Then 12 and 15, 12 is even but 15 is not even. One is even number, other is prime number, other is odd number, sorry. One is even and other is odd number. Okay, they both so they both are not divisible by 2. Then we will check upon 3. We just realize that 12 and 15 they both are divisible by 3. So 3 4s the 12 and then 3 5s the 15. 4 and 5. The remainder is 4 and 5. They both are not divisible by the common table. So these 2 and 3 they will be the common factors, and these 4 and 5 they will be the non-common factors. Clear? CF means common factors. 2 and 3 we will write over here, and 4 and 5 they are the non-common factors. We will write over here. You know that the formula of LCM is a common factor multiplied by non-common factor. Common factors they are, we will write the formula as it is. The common factors are 2 multiplied by 3. We will write over here, multiply by, and non-common factors they are 4 and 5. We will write over here, 4 multiplied by 5. Then just multiply these 4 numbers and get the answer. And the multiplication is like this: 2 3 star 6 6 4 the 24. Then when we multiply 24 by 5, we will just get the answer, that is 120, which is same as we solve the which is same as we find the LCM in listing method. The answer was 120 in listing method, and also the answer is 120 in prime factorization method. They both have the same answer by both the methods. Clear? I think you just get the concept of LCM by both the methods in this video. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.